This mom of 45 years removed varicose veins naturally with this simple ancient recipe from grandma. If your mom has varicose veins, you may have doubts whether also have. And it is very likely, because varicose veins have as main risk factor genetic inheritance. But not always your mom have varicose veins means you also have. But the main factors for varicose veins, home remedies are the most appropriate to treat them. In general, varicose veins begin to make their appearance when the woman passes the late 20s, as in the case of men, although the rate likely to have varicose veins is much lower than in the case of women. Varicose veins can be caused by such factors as 1. The aging. 2. The genetic. 3. Lack of exercise. 4. Hormonal changes. 5. Circulation problems. The good news is that there is a natural and effective solution to counteract the discomfort that varicose veins cause you. A mixture of aloe vera, carrot and apple oil that make you feel better and rejuvenated. Ingredients: 1. ½ cup of carrot. 2. 1/2 cup aloe vera pulp. 3. A splash of apple cider vinegar. Preparation: add the chopped carrot and glass of aloe vera in a blender. Blend these ingredients precedes and during that process pour apple cider vinegar until a homogeneous mixture is formed with a consistency similar to a cream. How to use it. Apply the mixture on the part of the affected skin, put your feet up for about 30 minutes. Passing this time wipes away the mixture with cold water. Remember that the effectiveness of natural remedies is consistency, you have to apply it. After using this mixture that we are giving you, really sure that improvements almost immediately. Massage. The massages are another treatment to remove varicose veins quickly. You can learn to make homemade massage. The important thing is to remember that you should never perform them directly on varicose veins. You must start at the feet and climb gradually to the hips, without applying too much pressure. Thus, tissues and congested blood flows into the heart are mobilized. Use the palms and avoid exerting pressure with the fingertips. The cypress essential oil is excellent for massage because it helps reduce fluid retention and improve circulation. The essential oil of juniper is another option to consider because it is a great local stimulant. For maximum effectiveness, the ideal is that your legs are elevated to 45 degrees while massaging.